This is Tag eating some solids.
AKA a banana. Yeah. Eat it, yeah. Yeah, eat it. Go.
Hey, buddy. That yummy? Did he swallow it?
No, he still got it. Yeah, he got most of it then. Yeah, he swallowed most of it. Alright. Let's try this one. Yeah, that's most of it. You got most of it. You're doing good. Oh, it's kind of a big spoonful.
Something's coming out.
Oh, that's not that much.
Yummy.
Hang on. Hey. Don't you want to try this? Do you want some more?
Go. Your little face is funny.
You gotta stop bouncing, buddy. You're cruising through it now. Yeah.
What do you think of that?
Think, why do you have this camera in my face? Don't breathe it. Don't breathe it. Oh no. Are we getting to the end? Hang on. You got a little banana mustache. Yeah, is that good? Alright, here's a piece you might have to actually chew. Let's just give you one of them.
Oh. Got it on your nose.
Like it? Keep opening your mouth whenever I put it in front of you. Ready? We're almost done. I gave you a lot this time. I gave you a lot more, like double than yesterday. It's hard to get it in there when you're bouncing. You're making it a moving target for Dad. Okay, hang on. Stop. Woo!
Uh-oh.
Alright, come here. Alright. Last one. Oh. Eat it. All right.
Can't do that one last bite.
Here.
There you go.
Oh, you got it. Yay. It's like spitting it out, so I have to come back with more, huh? I think you're getting it. Yeah, you got it.
Yay!